Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to create a more than 5,000, 10,000, 1,000,000 or any number of folders with a single click in Windows 11 operating system. You can create as many as folders that you can, okay? And by the simplest way, you can use Excel sheet or Notepad++. I'm going to the Excel sheet, okay? Here we find our names, okay? And we want to edit that, so I just go to the here at the B cell, and here I just type MD, then space, then double quote. Okay, now I just copy this name, okay, copy this first name, copy it. I just go to the here B cell, go middle of the double quote and paste it at here. Okay, now I want this to be all in rows. Okay, that is very easy. Just go to the data. Here is the data, and here we find flash file. Okay, then just click on the flash file. Okay, now here is the name with the MD. Okay, now just go to this B cell, just select that, right click on it and copy it. Okay, now it's copy all the names in this row. Okay, now we are going to Notepad. Okay, now just go to the folder that you want to create a folders. I want to this creator in a new folder, and in new folder, here is the my folders. I just double click it and I just create a new text file. Right click on blank space, show more options. Here we find new and text document. Okay, now click it here, and I want to change extension of this folder or this file. Okay, sorry. So I just go to this see more three dots, click at here. Here is the options, click at here. Here we find view, and here we want to hide extension for known file types. Uncheck this, click on apply and click on OK. Now it is showing me extension .txt. So I just open it and paste the my code, okay, or the names with the MD and your folder name. Now close this, save this. Now I want to change this .txt extension, so I just right click on it and I just go to the show more option, rename. I give any name, just give to any name. I just give to the folder. Okay, folders, and I change this .txt to .bat, B-A-T. Okay, now click on blank space. Okay, now click on rename. Yes, I want this. Now our bat file is created. Then very easy process. Okay, just double click on this bat file, double click on it, and we can see commands are open and our folders are now creating in our my folder. Okay, all folders are created at here. Okay, all folders are created. Now I want to subfolder, and in this, okay, I want to create a 3, 4 or multiples, any types of multiples folders in this folder. Okay, so I want to create a subfolder, so I just delete this first. Okay, I just delete. So I just go to the here Excel style sheet again and delete this. Okay, now I want to create a 3 folders or 4 folders, so I just copy this again, and this type I just type MD, then double quote, space is the important. Okay, space MD, then our name, then I just type bio. Okay, now I just copy this. Okay, copy this, go to the end of my double quote, space, paste it and rename with the work. Once again I repeat the process, space, then our name and / and just type award. Okay, then same process, space, paste our name and just rename with the mobile number. Okay, and I just go to here. Okay, now I just make it this cell big Okay, now I want to fill this with all numbers. So repeat the process. Go to the data. Here we find flash file. Just click at here and it's create name with bio, work, award and mobile number. Okay, now just go to the B, right click on it and just copy it. Okay, now minimize it. Now just go to the our bat file, right click on bat file, show more options and edit with the notepad. Okay, it is already open with the notepad. Okay, now paste the our code or delete this code and paste the our code. Okay, so I paste the my code at the here. Okay, now just close it and save it. Okay, now our bat file is created. Okay, now just double click on this folder.bat file. Okay, now it is creating our folders with the subfolder. It takes time because it's creating 4 folders. First it's creating 4000 and plus files folders, then it's creating 4 folders in it. So it is a long process, so be patient and wait. Okay, so in a second our all files are created. So I just go to this file and it's created 4 folder on it. All files created 4 folder on it. Okay, we can see how much files are created. So just go to the my folder, properties, and it's contain 23,000 and plus folders. Okay, so guys, I will create a many folder 23,000 and plus folders in this folder. So guys, this is the simplest way. Create as many as folder that you want with a single click in a Windows 11 or any Windows operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.